Today we are going to discuss an advisory opinion of 19 July 2024. Legal consequences arises from the policy and practice of Israel in occupied Palestine territory, including East Jerusalem. The legal consequences for the United Nations. The duty of the non-recognition specified earlier as applies to international organizations including United Nations in the view of serious breaches of obligation era ongoing under international law. The obligation is not to recognize as a legal situation that arises from unlawful presence of Israel in the occupied Palestine territory and the obligation to distinguish in the dealings with Israel between territory of Israel and occupied Palestine. The territory apply also to the United Nations. Finally, the court is of the view that precise modalities to bring an end to Israel's unlawful presence in the occupied Palestine territory is a matter to be dealt with the General Assembly, which is requested in the opinion as well and the Social Security. Therefore, it is for the General Assembly and the Security Council to consider further action is required to put to end to illegal presence of Israel, taking into account the present advisory opinion. The court considers it is very important to stress as it wall advisory opinion. The urgent necessity of the United Nations as a whole redouble its efforts to bring Israel peace conflict with a continues to pose a threat to international peace and security to a speedy conclusion, thereby establishing just and lasting peace in the region. The court also considered the realization of the right of the Palestinian people to the self-determination, including the right as an independent sovereign state living side by side in peace with the state of Israel within the secure, recognized border for both states as engaged in resolutions of Security Council and General Assembly would contribute to the regional stability and the security of all the nations of the Middle East. ICJ has given a very positive statement regarding Palestine problem and they are urged to solve it, but let's see what's happened because time has passed so much and so many damage has been done. I hope Israel will listen to this opinion.